Alright, before I begin to change the switch in my ceiling fan, I have to shut off my bedroom, which also carries the Wi-Fi, so. Front bedroom is 6. My bedroom should be shut. Yep. Oh, I need to disconnect the poaching. Well, we lost a little bit of audio in that footage, but I just figured out where it's at. I put it on the fan blade, and it probably fell somewhere. I probably flung it. Must still be on it. There it is. There we go. Alright, so this is our replacement Westinghouse 3-speed. This should work with my fan. Found this. Oh, it's a 4-wire. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4-wire. Good. Oh wow, look at this. It's actually clipped together where you could fix it. And it sounds good too. Very nice. Me likey. I just gotta... might just replace that with the brass one instead, but 3 amp, 6 amp, yeah. Yeah, this is an exact replacement. It'll work with mine. Insert a straightened paper clip into the wire terminal and push down. Oh, okay. So that is L. L goes here. Oh. I'm silly. Okay. So that's number 1. One goes in there. Okay. Going in there. Okay. Come on. Feed through. There you go. Ah, you bitch. Put the brass one on. There. Okay, that's on. Looks good. All right, here we go. Well, it runs. Okay. Oh yeah. Come on. Gotcha. There we go. Oh, cheap junk. Cheap. Look at this shit. Cheap. Should really fix it. I really should correct that. I don't like that. Doesn't help, it's loose. Yep, and if I'm theoretically correct, yeah, that's how they want you to take it out. Yeah, it comes off like an assembly. I'm stupid. Which also explains how to get the chain in easily. That would make much more sense. Things as loose as a goose. Yeah, like that. That's loose. We don't want that. So, I need to disconnect my handiwork. That should be easier to get. Operation Tighten as a go. Anyway, I'll get back to you once I get this properly done. Alright, so got that on and it is assembled properly. Now I just gotta get it on. Hopefully this isn't too difficult, but we'll find out. Because now I understand how the hell you do this, and I was doing it all wrong. There we go. And that goes on like that. I'm gonna get a screw. Ah, you bitch. And it's done. Come on, be nice. There we go. And oh yeah, that's much better. Alright, power on. It moves air, but barely. Yeah, that's what they call medium, which does nothing. And this is low. These fans are junk. I never liked these fans. They never did good, and they always break. There's always something that needs fixing on them. Well, it's fixed. After I got the ceiling fan fixed, I figured I would put together a fan speed control switch for the window fan that I can plug into this. And this is something I salvaged out of an abandoned house, It's in Berns Airking speed selector switch for, I guess well, it was in the basement, so I doubt it was for a whole house fan, but could have been for the boiler or something. It was in the boiler furnace area where the furnace was. That's where I found this, but who knows. Anyway, it's got a auto transformer in it, an autoformer, and it's got the speed selector. And this does work. It's just very crunchy. So let's spray it and make sure it actually functions. We're going to be using the VTVM today. I don't feel like using, I'm going to be different today. So we're going to use this to measure it. See if it even works. And then high. Okay, that works. Medium. Low. Maybe that's supposed to happen. High, medium, high, off. Okay. So that seems to work. I'll spray it with this. Deoxit D5. Nothing but the best. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Right here will be our 120 volts. Now we're going to make the switch L, 1, 2, 3. Now we'll just make the autoformer, which one tap in the middle goes to number 2. That goes to number 2. Top tap goes to 3. And then the bottom tap goes to 1. Okay? Okay, so that's that. Autoformer. Whatever, it's something. Now, so what we want to do is we want to connect L to the hot. The black wire goes to L. H will go to L. And then, so we'll have our motor here. This is a very lovely motor. Directly to the motor. And then this will go to there. That's how that's going to work. Because these are connected to the autoformer, and then those two connect to there. So let's begin. I believe this is how this is going to work. Motor. Okay. Let's see. So this will connect together like that. Yeah, even after all the decades, the Copper on that wire is still quite good. And then we'll just top it off with a wire nut. A wire nut that doesn't want to cooperate, apparently. Maybe if I do that. There we go. There we go. That's connected to there. Now I'll begin this circuit. So we'll open up our Leviton Pro Grade Commercial Quality Grounding Outlet. Salvaged from a old storage room. But this will do. And I don't want this connected because we only want to use one. This is proving to be difficult. One. I've had this screwdriver for so many years, and I think it might be time to change it. It just might be time. I'm thinking it's time. There. You know, for my own feeling of safety, I'm going to put some electrical tape around the perimeter of it. There. That's good. Oh, and I need to take these off. Got it. Okay. Now we'll just unscrew that. That was really smart of me. Just like that. Oh, there it goes. It just needs to warm up. Probably needs a damn drop of oil. Must be some extra resistance. I'll give it a few drops of oil though. Gotcha. Soon I need to fix this damn window, but it'll do. Should really clean this thing, but medium. Well, this control works. Kind of. That would be, that's not even medium. That'd be low. There's something weird with the switch. It'll cool down in here, that's for sure. This fan never disappoints me. Well, thank you for watching.